Hello and welcome. Now in this video, we're going to assume that you already have a script and you're looking at a brief script that we have written for an animated video. And as you'll notice that it's not very long, and you'll want to make sure that you have read through the script so you'll know exactly how long it is. Now the best way to go forward once you have this script is to transfer it onto some kind of presentation software. And you can do that with a program like PowerPoint, or as we said, you can use that with Google Docs using the slide menu. So you want to put one sentence at a time on each slide, and then you can then get ready to begin reading your script. Now, in order to record the script, you are going to need some audio editing software. If you have Camtasia or if you have Audacity, you can then read the script and then edit it to make sure that it meets your specifications. In order to record the script, simply turn on your slideshow presentation, and then you're going to narrate your audio. Now, it's going to be important when you are narrating your animated video that you leave a little gap between the timing of each slide so that you will then have time to change the scenes of each of your animated videos. So if you think about each line representing one scene, you want to read the script and then pause slightly and then move on to the next slide. For example, here's how we would read this script and here's how we would page through it, and we'll do 3 slides just so that you can see how to appropriately do the timing. Whether a company is operating in good or difficult economic times, they must market strategically. That means that there must be an overall goal as well as a core methodology for the company to follow. Blindly following trends such as mobile marketing or Google Maps without a strategy are unlikely to get you the results that you want from your promotional efforts. So you'll notice we read 3 slides, and you'll notice that in between each slide we pause slightly, and you'll see why this is necessary when we actually go to the timeline. So this is the fastest and easiest way to read your script, to know what you're doing, and to think through it. So whatever your audio creation software is, you can use Camtasia, you can use Audacity, you can use any of the screen sharing programs, and you have to remember, you're going to be creating an MP3 audio or a WAV file. So you don't really have to worry about the quality of the video. The only thing that you have to worry about is the quality of the audio. Now, the easiest way to edit the audio is going to be to use a program like Camtasia. And the reason is that you have a visual timeline. So you can actually record your video in one take. You can note the peaks in the timeline and you can edit it. And then you can produce your audio, which is going to be an MP3. There's an important thing to note here about the use of Camtasia 9 versus Camtasia 8 or even Camtasia 7. And that is that you cannot produce an MP3 file in one step. It's going to take at least 2. So if you are looking for a non-complicated way of being able to create and edit your audio in one step, you'll want to use Camtasia 8 in this case, which is the older version of the program versus Camtasia 9. Or you can also use the program Audacity, which will also allow you to record audio. And as you can see, we are recording audio as we speak. Now in the next video, we're going to record the audio and we are going to do it all in one take, and then we're going to come back and we're going to edit the audio. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.